Welcome back to another video of Experiential Lit. 12,000 years ago, farming never existed on Earth. Today, almost half the world's land is used for farming. In this episode, we are going to take a look at future of farming, specifically how technological advancement led to more yields in less time and disrupting the present agribusiness model. Let's take a look. In the next decade or two, technology will revolutionize farming all around us. According to estimates, by 2050, human population will reach 9.9 billion, up from 7.4 billion in 2016. Organic food demand has also picked up steam in recent years, with more health-conscious population on the rise. Farmers will need to reach an impressive level of food production to help feed a growing world population. By 2050, we will need to produce 70% more food. To meet these challenges and in pursuit of greater yields, farmers are quick to adapt and implement new cutting-edge technologies that are available today. Industrial revolution has given way to many solutions to all industries. Automation and production line have reduced cost and increased efficiency. Single most important boost farming received was perhaps the development of engines. This is how farming looked in 19th century, with plowing traditionally with manual labor at every turn. Today, it looks something like this. It certainly has come a long way. Agri-technologists predict that future agriculture will use high-tech robots, temperature and moisture sensors, aerial images and GPS technology. Although some of these technologies are already available, most are at initial stage. Drone technology with regulations in place can take farming to the next level. Attached with multispectral cameras, it can identify pest and fungal diseases. Precise pesticide usage can be implemented. This will save cost and time. Still, drone technology is untapped at this time. In recent years, future of farming is being brought into cities. Vertical farming, reducing the use of fresh water by 70%. Singapore is setting the trend to produce 30% of its own food by 2030, a number that is currently closer to 10%. Empowering its citizens to grow what they can and support their modern farming. Using technology, everything from light to temperature can be controlled and optimized for specific crops. As only 1% of land is used for traditional farming in Singapore. Perhaps one day, the world would follow in its footsteps. Livestock are going to be fitted with collars that have sensors to monitor animals' health, tracking their movements, feeding patterns, and provide warning signs if they are sick. Report generated can give key changing habits of the animal. Technology will allow farms to be more profitable, efficient, safe, and environmentally friendly. The cost of technology used in farming today are slowly reducing, and farmers are ready to embrace innovation and implement new technology. World of farming will never be the same by 2050. The only thing remains now to see how fast we can adapt to change. There you have it, the future of farming and benefit it brings to the world population. What are your thoughts? Do you think this is the right way to go? Is vertical farming the step forward, or do you have any reservation against it? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like our work, consider subscribing and feel free to give a thumbs up. We are on Patreon as well. Anyways, my name's Noreen. You've been watching Experiential Lit.